Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still personally think that we are in a wave Y right now. I think we're already in the wave C of wave Y. I think this is an ABC of Y, just like the wave W has three waves and the wave X has three waves. The wave Y should have an ABC three-wave pattern, which most likely will take out the previous highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is where you can a little more clearly see the five waves up for A, the three waves down for B, the five waves up for the what I believe is a 1, the big ABC correction, which I think is a wave 2, and I think that we are likely over the coming months to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So heading down to the daily time frame, well, the trend is definitely still up. We are back at the previous highs. Could possibly be an area where you see a more significant pullback. I personally wouldn't really count on that until we see some sort of a break of structure to the downside, because even though we are at the previous highs, wave threes are the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, and what is probably more likely to happen is it's going to just keep on trending up, making them higher highs and higher lows. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. I personally, as a swing trader, am still looking for longs. I'm still looking for 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks down to Fibonacci levels. Nice engulfing moves to the upside for the continuation of the uptrend. If it goes down and breaks this low rate here, this 100% around the 0.6697 area, then that definitely would turn me into a seller. But until or if that happens, I will just continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this move down is definitely fairly impulsive, which means I think it's a wave A. Probably at some point, we're probably going to stop a move to the upside, which would likely be a correction to the move down for a wave B. Then I would expect to see another push down for a wave C. Like I said, I personally am waiting for an ABC correction for a three-way pullback for a Fibonacci bounce in order to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. And that's because I am definitely a swing trader. I mean, if you are a very short time frame trader and you see a nice clear end of a wave B entry to go short, then I don't see what's wrong with that. But I still think the safer, the better, and the more reliable money to be made is definitely going to be waiting patiently for three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.